Is your current content management system suited for the uncertain times beyond COVID-19? With many teams reuniting in the office and consumers more active on the web more than ever, ensuring that your content management system follows the Agile methodology can be the key to success in this environment. Hey guys, it's Trav here from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. At the start of 2020, in the heart of COVID-19 outbreak and social distancing regulations, LinkedIn's marketing team found themselves in a predicament. Their team was dispersed and working from home proved to be distracting, meaning productivity levels were less than favorable. Despite all the challenges of the pandemic brought to the business, LinkedIn made a bold move. They moved all of their tech stack to HubSpot. Why? Because HubSpot's content management system, or CMS, is an agile one. So what does it mean to be agile? Originally conceived by software developers, Agile refers to flexible planning and responsive implementation so that you can meet new and emerging needs of the customers. This replaced the waterfall approach, which required long planning and tedious shifting of work that often resulted in outdated and late to market outputs. The Agile method, on the other hand, is a process that requires bite-sized efforts that could easily be defined, implemented or reviewed in a short time span called sprints. This allows your team to adapt their offerings based on real-time changes, rather than following a fixed plan that can't be modified. So now that you know what Agile method is, how exactly does it apply to CMS? Well, according to DNN Software, an Agile CMS should be 1, stable and reliable. CMS software should be bug-free, high-performing, so it won't compromise the performance at the wrong moment. Number 2, intuitive, meaning software is uncomplicated and makes logical sense, with easily navigated interface that allows you and your team to be self-sufficient and productive. Number 3, flexible and scalable. An Agile CMS can publish rich media content like images and videos across all content formats. Also, it should be able to deliver delightful experiences on both mobile and desktop and handle complex workflows. Additionally, it needs to handle high levels of web visits or page views without negatively affecting performance. Number 4, it has to have the data that you need. An Agile CMS needs to deliver content analytics across all of the channels your brand operates on, providing insights that help you and your team work. And lastly, it needs to be future ready. An Agile CMS is adaptive. It allows you to customize your content when customers' behaviors change or if new channels emerge. And if you're enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure that you hit that bell so you stay up to date on all of the latest videos delivered to your inbox every week. We're in a unique point of time right now as marketers, and because of that, here are our top 2 reasons as to why you should get on board the Agile CMS train. Number 1, people are going online to learn and find their community. While stores have reopened and people have resumed life outside isolation, the demand to use the internet during the peak of COVID-19 continues to stick with us. According to Payment's study, almost a quarter of its respondents said that they're more likely to do more things online rather than offline as they had before, indicating the opportunity for brands to get more in touch with customers. Add to this the fact that 346 million new users have come online within the last 12 months, with more than half of the world now on social media. For us marketers, this suggests that your content marketing game needs to be stronger than ever before so you can attract and keep online audiences. This means an Agile CMS that supports large traffic spikes and high tempo publishing is essential to the backbone of your content marketing strategy. Furthermore, you don't want your CMS to hold you back from responding to your customers' needs because it's too complicated to operate. Therefore, a CMS built upon an Agile method is key to optimizing your content creation and promotion processes. And number 2 is the change we're all going to experience in a post-pandemic world. As we've witnessed firsthand, the way our world operates can change in the blink of an eye. As marketers, if we don't keep up with these dynamic shifts, we will fall behind, and we can all agree it's detrimental for all businesses. Therefore, we need to have on-hand tools that consistently aid us in effectively and efficiently forging and delighting customers' experiences, no matter what is going on outside the marketing sphere. An Agile design CMS is crucial to make this happen because it equips marketers to respond better and quicker to our rapidly changing social, economic and political environment post-COVID-19. So while overhauling and completely swapping your tech stack out for a platform that's agile may seem unwise and reckless, LinkedIn proves that it's possible and can lead to good business outcomes. So if you want to future-proof your company, a change in CMS with an agile flair should be part of that answer. For B2B marketing, we strongly recommend HubSpot CMS Hub. Unlike other CMS platforms, Where time hinders their usability and capacity for brand innovation, HubSpot CMS evolves and scales in line of business growth and eliminates the need for continuous software maintenance. In other words, users can dedicate their energy and time to the more important stuff, creating awesome content and experiences for their customers. HubSpot CMS Hub includes two tiers, enterprise and professional, meaning organizations can choose a CMS offering complementary to their stage of growth. Additionally, the CMS Hub is an all-in-one package, integrating and optimizing every marketing tool known to man and allowing multiple stakeholders, IT teams, developers, sales, and marketers to work in tandem for anything from small content updates to major website renovations. We at Neighborhood are avid users of HubSpot CMS Pro, and for some time now, so we know what we're talking about when we say that HubSpot is the bee's knees when it comes to the CMS space. Whilst we can't recommend it enough, we also encourage you to explore other alternatives to discover the best fit for your business needs. So this brings us to the end of the video. Now you know what an Agile CMS is and why your business needs it to keep up with the times ahead. Just like every marketer needs to be able to adapt to challenges and the changes in your market. Your content management system should also do the same in order to stay relevant and innovating. So if you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with a content management system. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighborhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.